graduate student at DePaul University who have been learning about prototyping and user-centered design methods. I want to learn about the design of the application quickorder and practice using our research methods. Quickorder was designed to help customers skip the waiting time before they really start enjoy their meals. They can reserve tables, order their meals, even pay their meals in advance. I did not design this. My feeling won't hurt if you share your thoughts or feeling about it. I really just want to see how the design of it works and unlimitedly take what I learned from the test to identify ways for the designer to improve. We will give you two tasks to complete it. There is no right or wrong way to finish it. As you are completing the tasks, please say anything you come to your mind. If at any point you need to wish to stop the task, let me know and we will take a break or stop. So
Sure.
let's start. Do you have any question before we really begin?
Nope.
Do you already see our homepage of the prototype?
Yes.
Um, what's your gender?
I'm a guy, male.
What's your age?
I'm 27.
Do you check out restaurants very frequently?
Just about once a week.
That's often. So you usually use a mobile application to find restaurants, reviews, or like reserve tables, or you usually use mobile phones or websites? Sorry.
Um, yeah, I'll use mobile apps to when I'm on the go. Um, a
Okay,
website.
you
Yep.
usually check the reviews or to decide which one to
Yeah.
go, or you reserve table or like
Primarily for
check the open hour
primarily
meal.
for checking out hours, options, and reviews, of course.
Okay. Have you ever left a restaurant because you waited too long?
Sure.
Either like wait outside or you even already get table, but just they make the food too long and you hurry and you leave.
Um, Usually, before I get seated at a table,
Hmm.
I feel free to just leave
Just
and
leave.
and try other options
Okay.
if the wait's too long. If I get seated down and if I wait more than 30 minutes, then I'll probably just leave.
Okay. Let's start. So I'm going to present you with your first scenery. Now you already see our homepage,
Hmm.
and for this task, you need to reserve a table and also order their meal in advance. For deep dish Pizza Hut through our quick order mobile application,
Hmm.
you hang out with your friends. You guys felt hungry and decided to check out a deep dish pizza place nearby. So, have you visited this kind of application before?
Yeah, something similar. Um, I've checked out Uber Eats and DoorDash.
Okay. So who do you think the intended audience of this application?
Um, like people who want to get order their um, dish ahead in advance and also like check out the menu and things like
So
that.
so this feeling is from my introduction scenarios, like my thing, or you can tell from our homepage.
Yeah, I can tell from the homepage. I mean, the name of the application kind of tells that you primarily want to order things, and then there's options like delivery, takeout. Um, it's not clear right away that um um it's not quite clear if you make the payment here or um you make the payment once you get there,
Oh,
from the very first screen. But
okay.
maybe that's not what you're going for. Or, I don't know. We'll see.
So could you tell what the page was about?
This page. This page looks like kind of like just your browsing
Okay.
page. You select which
So
restaurant you
yeah,
want.
so now you need find a pizza place and start your reserve and order.
Okay. So I'll click Lou Manardi's pizza because that looks like how I get in.
Yeah, so now you see the Pizza Hut, uh, that restaurant's page.
Mm-hmm.
So you need a reserve.
Okay. So I'll go reserve, and I see a bunch of times. Like the options for your reservation, right?
Yeah, yeah, and you go on.
Okay. So let's say I want to book October 4th, um, at 7:30 and reserve.
Yeah,
Okay. And then I see options is confirming the date that I reserved, date and time that I reserved. Um, and then this is a field to choose how many people. I'll choose one, and then reserve now.
yeah,
You
go
have
on.
successfully reserved a table. Great.
So you have two choice now.
Okay.
You can either explore the meal or finish this
So I'm gonna explore
class.
so I can order stuff on. a- So once I get there, I don't have to um, go through ordering it, um, go through
Yes,
waiting for the order to arrive.
so you go on.
So I see deep dish pizza. Let's add that. $31. Would have been nice if it told me the price of each item, but I think
You can on this page. Do you know where you can click?
yeah, it's highlighted in blue.
And then
So I added a deep dish pizza, and then it added $31 to my cart.
yeah, and you can see what you get,
Right.
right? Okay. So was it easy? Uh, wait,
I see.
yeah. Could
Pasta
you
Louis.
find what you were looking for on our application? Like every step, every page.
Um, yeah, I think so.
Was it easy to get the homepage from the page you start on?
The homepage from that where I started on. Not exactly. I'm not sure how to get back to the homepage.
Okay. So what will you do next if you finish this? And what's your expectation? Like if you finish the pay and then where you go? Go back
Um,
to
yeah, so like I'm expecting it'll pay through like Apple Pay or ask me for my credit card information or um, PayPal information or whatever. And
okay.
then when I arrive, I hope that a table will be ready for me and the food will be there around the same time.
Yeah. What would you encourage you to return this application in the future?
I mean, to recommend it.
Yeah, or you use it again?
If it delivers what it promises, making it easy order and out and reduce my wait times.
Do you feel it's easy to order now?
That's pretty easy to order.
Uh,
Oh,
how
you mean
easy
the app from the app or in general?
for the app?
Yeah, I think it's pretty simple.
Uh, how easy was it to complete the task on the scale of 1 to 5? How easy for you to complete the task
Mm, like a 9.
on scale of 1 to 5?
Oh, 5.
Okay. How much you will give a rating of this application or this service on scale of 1 to 5?
Oh well, I will know once I get seated and try the service. But so far it should be a 5.
If you could change one thing on this site, whether it is major or minor, what would be at the top of the list, to-do list? What do you want to change on this application?
Um, I think like price prices for certain items. If that was more obvious, then that would have been easier
Yeah,
or easier.
and yeah, I remember for a previous question, you say you feel not very clear to go back to the homepage. Do you think you want to solve that problem, or you feel that's fine in some part of the process of
Yeah, I
like
think I
order
think
or pay?
think that's still important. Um, but I'm not sure how you would manage the cart if if you're going back and forth between different restaurants. Um,
Oh,
maybe you would get rid of the cart and start over because the user doesn't want to accidentally um, order items from two different restaurants but only go to one, right?
yeah,
So
yes. So, what made you give it a rating of 5?
they made it really simple to choose what you want and then order it and then browse through the food that you had in mind.
Do you think this kind of service really can help you reduce your waiting time, like in the restaurant, in the table? Do you think it makes sense?
I think so.
Okay. So thank you very much. You
Sure.
already finished our test.
Thanks.
Click 你可以停掉。